In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Trello boards and manage a blog workflow. Trello is an incredibly useful tool that helps you stay organized, keep track of tasks, and collaborate with others. Whether you're a blogger or just someone looking to streamline your productivity, setting up a Trello board can make a world of difference. Let's dive into the steps to get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Trello.com. Once you're there, you should see a login button. Click on it to proceed. If you already have a Trello account, you can log in using your email or even your Google account, making it simple and seamless. If you don't have an account yet, you'll have the option to sign up and join at this point. Once inside Trello, you'll find yourself on the home page. From here, select the workspace you desire, or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Next, click on Create New Board. This is where all your blog tasks and workflow management will begin to take shape. Give your board a name that reflects its purpose, something like blog workflow could be fitting. After naming your board, you can set the visibility. This allows you to decide if the board should be private, workspace visible, or public, depending on your sharing needs. Once you're satisfied, click Create to generate your board. Your board will initially be empty, but we'll populate it with lists to map out your blogging process. The first step is to add a list and name it Ideas. This list will serve as a brainstorming space for all the blog topics you're considering. After clicking on Add List, create another, naming it Outline. In this list, you'll flesh out the structure of your blog posts. Then create a third list named Drafted. This is where you'll move posts that have been written but need refining. Next, add a list named For Review, where you will place posts that are ready for editing and feedback. Finally, create a list called Published, where all finished posts will reside. With your lists in place, it's time to add some content. Click on Add a Card under the Ideas list to create a new task. For this tutorial, let's name the card Trello Tutorial. Cards represent your tasks or content pieces, and you can add details, assign members, and set due dates within each card. Once your card is ready, you can start moving it through your workflow. Drag your card to the outline list as you begin structuring the blog post, then drag it to the drafted list once the writing is underway. Move it to For Review when it's ready for feedback, and finally slide it over to Published once everything is complete and live. By setting up your blog workflow in Trello, you can easily visualize and track the progress of each post from start to finish. This method helps ensure nothing slips through the cracks and keeps you organized and focused on delivering fantastic content consistently. And there you have it, you now know how to create a Trello board and manage a blog workflow effectively. Happy blogging, and don't forget to explore all the other features Trello has to offer to take your productivity to the next level.